Good day, listeners. My name is Michael Olobayi. I'm one of the students at the Mmmc Guidance School. First of all, this is my feedback video. And first of all, I would like to appreciate the God Almighty for the privilege that He has given me to uh, know about this great community, a life transforming platform like MMMC. Also, I want to appreciate my able mentor, the person of Mentor Fatoye Ishola, for his time, effort, uh, encouragement, and his patience, and his unprecedented level of maturity during the school training. I want to say that I have learned a great deal of things while I was in the school. Firstly, I know how to make use of various Google documents, which I never knew existed, like the Google document, the Google Sheet, uh, even the GoToMeeting application. I never knew those ones existed. I made use of it while in the school, and also how to create a YouTube channel. And also I learned about the real deal about the ideology of MMMC, the benefits, how it works, and the basic rules like the recommitment policy that is being put in place for sustainable period of existence of this noble community. At the same time, I learned about how to create Facebook accounts, create Facebook accounts, which is very interesting, and how to attract people online on social media. On the final note, I want to appreciate the well, I would say that this community has helped my educational development in terms of exposure also. On the final note, I will now say that I appreciate the founder of this community with his ideology of blessed memory, Sir Mafrodi. And I also want to appreciate the admins that took the bull by the horn to carry on with this legacy. I must say that I have gained a lot of things from this community. Long live MMMC, long live the admins, long live my able mentor. I remain Olobayi Michael. Thank you.